Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you all. We'll be diving into the world of HTML, the backbone of the web development. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into writing our first HTML code, let's quickly understand what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's used to structure content on the web. It's a markup language that uses text to define elements such as headings, paragraph, images, links, and much more. Now, let's take a look at the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document starts with the doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser that this is an HTML document. After that, we have the HTML tag, which serves as the root element of the document. Inside the HTML tag, we have the head and body tags. The head tag contains meta information about the document, such as the page title, character encoding, and linked style sheets or scripts. On the other hand, the body tag holds the visible content of the web page, including text, images, links, and more. Alright, let's start writing our first HTML code. Open up your preferred code editor and create a new file. Begin by typing the doctype declaration. This informs the browser that we are using HTML5. Next, let's add the opening and closing HTML tags to define the root element. Inside the HTML tags, we will have the head and body tags. Within the head tags, let's add the title element to set the title of our web page. Now let's move on the body section where we'll put the visible content. Let's start by adding a heading using the h1 tag. Great! We now have our basic HTML structure and some content. Let's see how it looks in the browser. As you can see, the browser displays the heading we defined. HTML tags provide structure to our content and allow the browser to interpret and display it properly. Now, let's explore some common HTML tags and their usage. HTML provides a wide range of tags for various purposes, such as paragraphs, lists, images, links, and more. Understanding and using these tags will enable you to create rich and interactive web pages. Let's start with the P tag for paragraphs. It allows you to create blocks of text. For instance, next, we have the A tag for creating links. To create a link, you need to specify destination URL within the href attribute. For example, we have the image tag for displaying images. You will need to provide the image source URL using this source attribute. For instance, these are just a few examples of the many tags available in HTML. By combining these tags, you can create well-structured and visually appearing web pages. That's it for our HTML tutorial today. We covered the basics of the HTML, including the structure of an HTML document, writing tags, and exploring common tags for content formatting. Remember, practice is key to mastering HTML, so go ahead, experiment, and create amazing web pages. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more development tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.